Hello, this video gives the details guide, step-by-step guide for COMPXM Round 4. After Capsim, Capstone 8 round, you have the exam of 4 rounds and 5 quizzes. This is a detailed guide for round 4. You should check the video channel to YouTube channel to find all the 3 video guide for round 1, round 2, round 3 before you watch this video. For round 4, if you did well follow the guide instructor in round 1 and 2, round 3, it is very easy to continue round 4 because we have 8 products are selling very well right now. So we just update to keep the top sale and profit much higher than 3 other competitors, right? So for round 8, we update IND, we update the price by reduce the price by 50 cents. We use 2,000 for sales and promotion budget, right? And also we can reduce to 1,400 for first product because they reach 100 customer awareness and accessibility. On the screen you see that we have top sales and profit, right? You see on the screen. And also we see that we are having the top stock price and also the top market cap after 3 rounds. And now round 4 we just keep going, right? You continue with the top stock price, top sale, profit. And you also check the career report to see the number unit we sold from last round and copy and paste into the Excel file to calculate the sales focus. Again, you can download the free Excel file with the link under the video in the comment of the YouTube, right? Comment part of the YouTube. And we need to, after calculate the sales focus using the Excel file to calculate the sales focus, we can input the sales focus into the game. And yeah, for 8 product, right? For 8 product, you can add about 3 or 5% to avoid the stock out. Yeah, to avoid the stock out in case our product selling very well because you have very good product now, right? And after marketing, we go to the production, For production, this is round 4. We don't need to add capacity. We have increased the automation to the optimal level, so we just put in the production schedule as you are looking on the screen. We input the production schedule calculated by the sales focus, deduct or minus the inventory, so we get the production schedule. Yeah, this is round 4, which is very easy because you did the right strategy in round 1, 2, and 3. So round 4 we just continue to get the top sale and profit much higher, nearly 2 times higher than competitors and top competitors, right? If you need the personal support, you can send the email. If you need the Excel file created for your game, you can send industry condition report. I can create that for you. And this is round 4 for finance. So we can retire the stock. You see that, retire the stock, and also we can pay dividend $10. The top much higher than all competitors, and also we can retire the long-term debt we borrowed from last round. So to increase our total balance scorecard, right? So yeah, so that's very I think a little bit quick but very detailed guide and tips to win on the 4 rounds of COMPXM, right? COMPXM. You already remember that it started from industry condition report, and on the screen you see the TQM. We just input 1,000 for all the 10 initiatives to get the maximum of 4,000 for 4 rounds of each initiative to get the most optimal results, right? For the now you sure you will have the top sales and profit to lead the top result, lead the game with the top result in COMPXM. Very high sales, 52% contribution margin, and 20% of net profit. That's very good result. If you need the personal support, you send the email. If you need to understand in-depth, more in-depth for each decision, you can arrange the Zoom sessions for 1 hour. I can explain all the decision for you, right? Okay, thank you for watching. Good luck and success. If you need something support, send the email, right? Send the email. You see that on the screen, we get the top sale profit, right? Top sale and stock price, right? So thank you for watching. Good luck and success.